In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a workspace on Loom. If you collaborate with multiple teams or manage content for different projects, Loom uses workspaces to separate videos, folders, and sharing permissions. Switching the active workspace changes what you see on your dashboard and where new recordings will be saved, so it's worth knowing exactly where this control lives. The fastest way is right from your dashboard. Open Loom and make sure you're signed in. Take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your current workspace or team name displayed there. Click that name. A drop-down menu will appear showing all the workspaces you're a member of. Simply choose the one you want to switch to. Loom will briefly reload and your dashboard will update to show that workspace's videos, folders, and settings. This is ideal when you just need to hop between teams quickly. If you don't see the workspace you expect, double check that you've been added to it, and remember that the label might appear as team, depending on your plan and interface version. There's also a route through your profile settings, which can be helpful if you're already adjusting other account preferences or if the Workspace Switcher isn't visible. Head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for a section labeled Workspaces or Teams. Open it, and you'll find the list of workspaces available to you. Choose the one you want, and Loom will switch your view accordingly. Functionally, this does the same thing as the dashboard method. It just lives in a place that's easy to remember if you think in terms of account settings. A few quick tips to keep you on track. Switching a workspace doesn't move or copy your videos. It only changes what you're currently viewing and where new recordings will land by default. If you're planning to record right away, glance at the workspace name first so your video ends up in the right place. Access to videos is permission-based, so you may see fewer items in one workspace than another, depending on your role. And if the interface wording looks slightly different, focus on the location cues, top left for the quick switcher, top right profile icon for the settings route. That's all there is to it. With these two methods, you can confidently switch workspaces in Loom and keep your projects clean, organized, and easy to manage.